In this video I'm going to show you how to select who can view your story on Snapchat. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first open up Snapchat app and next tap there at your profile picture or at your Bitmoji if you got some. And then hit add gear icon to open up the settings. Now scroll down all the way until you find Privacy Controls box and there hit add View My Story. So now there you can set up who can view your stories. By default this option set to everyone. You can switch it to My Friends or you can tap on Custom and there check mark those persons whom you want to block stories for. Just check mark those persons and hit add block. That's how it works. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.